1, 2, 1, 2. Let's sing and tap our shoes.
Yeah. 1, 2, buckle my shoe.
3, 4,
Open the door.
5, 6, pick up sticks.
7, 8, lay them straight.
9, 10,
Do it again. 1, 2, buckle my shoe.
3, 4, open the door.
5, 6, pick up sticks.
7, 8, lay them straight.
9, 10, a big fat hen.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, hi there. I'm practicing my numbers. Knowing how to count is the best way to make sure I don't lose any sheep. Will you help me practice counting animals? Great! Let's imagine we're counting puppy dogs, kitty cats, parakeets, and guinea pigs. Let's start by counting puppy dogs. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little puppy dogs. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little puppy dogs. 7 little, 8 little, 9 little puppy dogs. 10 little puppy dogs. Now, let's count them while doing a puppy dog dance. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little puppy dogs. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little puppy dogs. 7 little, 8 little, 9 little puppy dogs. 10 little puppy dogs. Wow, that's a lot of puppy dogs. Let's count the kitty cats next. They like to travel in pairs, so we'll count them in twos. 2 little kitty cats, 4 little kitty cats, 6 little kitty cats, 8 little kitty cats, 10 little kitty cats. Let's count them again. This time, we'll do a kitty cat dance. 2 little kitty cats, 4 little kitty cats, 6 little kitty cats, 8 little kitty cats, 10 little kitty cats. What animal should we count next? Parakeets. We'll count them by counting backwards from 10. 10 little, 9 little, 8 little parakeets. 7 little, 6 little, 5 little parakeets. 4 little, 3 little, 2 little parakeets. 1 little parakeet. Let's count them again. Are you ready to do a parakeet dance with me? 10 little, 9 little, 8 little parakeets. 7 little, 6 little, 5 little parakeets. 4 little, 3 little, 2 little parakeets. 1 little parakeet. We've gotten so good at counting animals. Let's count guinea pigs next. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little guinea pigs. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little guinea pigs. 7 little, 8 little, 9 little guinea pigs. 10 little guinea pigs. Let's do a guinea pig dance. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little guinea pigs. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little guinea pigs. 7 little, 8 little, 9 little guinea pigs. 10 little guinea pigs. 10 little guinea pigs. Thank you so much for helping me practice counting animals. Now I'll never lose my sheep. Bye!
5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. 2 little monkeys monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. One little monkey jumping on the bed. He fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, put those monkeys back to bed.
1, 2, 3. Will you count with me? My, yeah!
How many? How many? Count with me. Count with me. How many? How many? Count with me. Count with me. How many horns on a unicorn?
1. 1 horn.
How many wheels on a bicycle?
1, 2. 2 wheels.
How many sides in a triangle?
1, 2, 3. 3 sides.
How many wings on a butterfly?
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 wings.
How many fingers on one hand? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fingers. 5 fingers.
Now let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's it.
How many? How many? Count with me. Count with me. How many? How many? Count with me. Count with me. How many strings on my guitar?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 strings.
How many days are in a week?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 days.
How many arms on an octopus?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 arms.
How many players on a baseball team?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 players.
How many pins in a bowling lane?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 pins. 10 pins.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. How many? How many? Count with me. Count with me. How many? How many? Count with me. Count with me.
Teddy bear, teddy bear.
Hey, Teddy, are you ready?
I am one ready Teddy. Everybody clap, clap, clap along.
Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, jump up high. Teddy bear, touch the sky. Teddy bear, bend down low. Teddy bear, touch your toes. Teddy bear, turn off the light.
Everybody say shh.
Teddy bear, say good night.
Oh, hey! Welcome to the Bay. Do you like to explore? Do you like to go on adventures? Awesome! This just so happens to be a very special spot. Would you like to explore it with me? Cool! Look! Did you see that? You should know we might run into some animals. And those animals might be doing some pretty silly stuff. So quick! Be a bold, brave explorer with me. Come on! by the bay, where the watermelons grow. Back to my home, I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say, did you ever see a goose kissing a moose? Down by the bay, down by the bay, where the watermelons grow. Back to my home, I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say, did you ever see a whale with a polka dot tail? Down by the bay, down by the bay, where the watermelons grow. Back to my home, I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say, did you ever see a fly wearing a tie? Down by the bay, down by the bay, down by the bay, down by the bay, where the watermelons grow. Back to my home, I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say, did you ever see a bear combing his hair? Down by the bay, down by the bay, where the watermelons grow. Back to my home, I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say, did you ever see llamas eating their pajamas? Down by the bay, down by the bay, where the watermelons grow. Back to my home, I dare not go, for if I do, my mother will say, did you ever see a snake baking a cake? Did you ever see a frog walking his dog? Did you ever see a mouse cleaning his house? Down by the bay, down by the bay, down by the bay. Wow! You're a great adventurer. Thanks for exploring the bay with me. Well, I've got to get going home. I can't wait to tell my mom all about the incredible animals we saw. Oh wait, I almost forgot. Did you ever see a guy saying goodbye down by the bay? See you next time.
J-A-C-K. Jack, that's me. I am nimble, I am quick. Want to see my cool trick?
Jack be nimble, Jack be quick. Jack jump over the candlestick. Jack be nimble, Jack be spry. Jack jump over the apple pie. Jack be nimble, Jack jump high. Jack fly up into the sky.
Hi.
Put a little cinnamon.
A little bit of nutmeg. You're the best cooks ever!
I can't wait to see your pie.
It's almost ready. And for the final ingredient.
Oh no! It looks like we're all out of water.
But my pie! There's a water fountain at the top of that hill.
Let's go!
Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after.
Up Jack got and home did trot as fast as he could caper,
And went to bed to mend his head with vinegar and brown paper. Jill came in and she did grin to see Jack's paper plaster.
she jumped for joy to see the boy,
all healed from his disaster. to tame that hill and make a safer pathway. With stones and sticks and mud and bricks, they built with careful timing
Steps to guide them up the side.
the hill that they were climbing.
Jack and Jill, they worked until they put the final block on.
And there stood high a staircase wide, enough for all to walk on. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water.
The steps were good and so they could
Live happily ever after. They fixed that hill so Jack and Jill lived happily ever after. They fixed that hill so Jack and Jill lived happily ever after.
At last, water!
I have a feeling this pie is gonna be perfect. Here we go.
I hope so. Let's see it.
Yes, we did it! Now, would anybody like some pie?
Oh, hi. I'm going to a picnic. My friend Bo Peep made some super yummy blackberry jelly. I'm bringing the peanut butter. We're going to make peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Mmm. Would you like to come with me? Awesome! Come on, let's go. We're almost there. Bo Peep should be right over the bridge. Uh-oh.
Eve, what happened to the bridge?
It looks like it fell down.
But what about our picnic? My tummy is grumbling.
I guess we could just eat our own food.
But I need peanut butter.
And I need jelly.
It looks like the bridge was made of wood. Maybe we can fix it.
Okay. But what do we fix it with?
Anything. Let's look around and see what we can find.
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. How shall we build it up again, up again, up again? How shall we build it up again, my fair lady? Build it up with wood and clay, wood and clay, wood and clay. Build it up with wood and clay, my fair lady.
Wood and clay will wash away, wash away, wash away. Wood and clay will wash away, my fair lady.
What should we build it up with?
I'm not sure. What would you build a bridge with?
I've got one.
Build it up with bricks and mortar, bricks and mortar, bricks and mortar. Build it up with bricks and mortar, my fair lady.
Bricks and mortar will not stay, will not stay, will not stay. Bricks and mortar will not stay, my fair lady. Build it up with sticks and stones, sticks and stones, sticks and stones. Build it up with sticks and stones, my fair lady.
Sticks and stones will bend and break, bend and break, bend and break. Sticks and stones will bend and break, my fair lady.
I'm really stumped. How would you build a bridge? Great idea!
Build it up with iron and steel, iron and steel, iron and steel. Build it up with iron and steel, my fair lady.
Iron and steel will bend and bow, bend and bow, bend and bow. Iron and steel will bend and bow, my fair lady. Build it up with silver and gold, silver and gold, silver and gold.
We did it! Now, let's eat. Peanut butter and blackberry jelly. You know, we make a pretty good bridge building team. And a good sandwich building team. Who knew teamwork was so delicious? We did!
Sing a song, it's a very neat song. A song that tells us all about our heads. Shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Cheeks, chin, tummy, hips, hands, and elbows. Elbows? Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
So Goldilocks ate from the first bowl of porridge, but it was too hot. Goldilocks tried the second bowl of porridge, but it was too cold. Goldilocks tried the third bowl of porridge, and this time the porridge was Mary.
Oops! I love this story, but I think I need a chance to get my wiggles out.
How about a dance break?
Ooh! Dance break! Would you like to dance with us?
Just follow along. It's super fun.
Open, shut them, open, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Put them in your lap, lap, lap. Creep and crawl them, creep and crawl them. Right up to your chin, chin, chin. Open wide your little mouth, but do not let them in, in, in. Flip them over, flip them over. Do a little peek-a-boo. Flip them over, flip them over. Jump up like a kangaroo. Roll them this way, roll them that way. Roll them to your toes, toes, toes. Give your toes a tap, tap, tap. And put them on your nose, nose, nose. Wiggle and wave them, wiggle and wave them. Say good morning, hi, hello. Wave once more to say goodbye, and then it's time to go, go, go. Shake them, shake them, shake them, shake them. Twirl your body round and round. Shake them here and shake them there, but do not make a sound, sound, sound. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut them, open, shut them. Put them in your lap, lap, lap. Creep and crawl them, creep and crawl them. Right up to your chin, chin, chin. Open wide your little mouth, but do not let them in, in, in.
That was fun. Ready to read again?
Are you sure you don't want to dance some more?
Nope. I want to hear what happens to Goldilocks. Come on, Bo Peep. Can I have a turn? I love to read once I get my wiggles out.
Sure.
Okay, so Goldilocks tried the third bowl of porridge, and this time it was just right. Now Goldilocks was starting to get tired.